I'm going to try and explain my South African City Golf Challenge in under 2 minutes. The Mark I Golf finished production in Germany in 1983, finished production in the USA in 1984. In South Africa, they just kept making the things. The Golf 2 came out, it was bigger, more expensive, and they just kept making the Mark I. 1989, they changed the back pillar a little bit, gave it a hockey stick L shape. 2005, they gave it a fancy new interior, bigger doors with one-piece glass, all kinds of cool things. 2009, they stopped making them. I'm gonna fly to South Africa. I'm gonna buy a 1993 or slightly older car, because that's the newest that I can import to the USA. I'm going to fly a 3.6 liter VR6 engine from the USA to South Africa on a plane, and I'm going to install that with Eurowise's help, Black Forest Industries' help, Wave Track Differential's help. I'm going to throw it in the car, going to switch the 1989 to 93 model doors to the later style, the interior to the later style. It's going to be nuts. It's going to be a 300 horsepower Mark I Golf, City Golf, built in 5 days and then driven to the VW Campfest, which is South Africa's biggest Volkswagen Audi show. Once I'm done, we're going to drive 1,000 miles across South Africa to Port Elizabeth, to the original Volkswagen factory there where it was built. Take to the factory and then put it on a boat to Europe, fly to Europe, drive it 1,000 miles across Germany and Austria to the Wörthersee-Treffen, stopping at the Wolfsburg factory. After that's all done, we're going to take it to the Nürburgring, do some laps there, stick it on a boat, send it to America. The challenge starts on January 27th. I'm gonna have a bunch of friends coming with me. I'm gonna have a bunch of friends in South Africa help me. Please feel free to tune in on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Speed and Sound Magazine, VWVortex.com, Performance VW Magazine, wherever else we have friends sharing it. This is going to be nuts. It might not work, I have no idea. Right now, I'm here in PA, it is 5 degrees outside. You might be able to see my breath. I'm working on the motor, trying to get it ready before I ship it. It's got to clear customs. It's got to have the Eurowise kit bolted on it. It's going to be nuts. I am intimidated and I'm scared about this challenge. In 2017, I flew to California and fixed the Golf Harlequin that I'm leaning against and drove it 3,000 miles within 5 days. That was replacing the oil pan, a whole bunch of stuff. It was the same motor, it was the same wiring, all that stuff was the same. This is completely gutting and rebuilding an entire car within 5 days in a foreign continent. It's going to be really, really stupid, and I can't wait. So now we're just walking around Auto House because there's running, driving Phaetons. I'm sorry, it's the gray interior. No, that's. You don't like gray. Oh, no, that's like the poverty. I need like the.
Poverty spectrum.
The plush.
Let me see if I can hear you from the outside.
No, you can't hear them talking because this is ridiculous. The seat works. There's no key. Actually, yes, there is, and I'm sitting in the Phaeton. This is probably bad. I probably shouldn't do this. I wonder if there's oil in it. Oh, Phaetons. I sold Phaetons brand new when they came out, and they were a big deal. And now, there's just broken pieces sitting around. The rear lip is sitting in the back on the leather. Look at all that leg room. Oh my gosh. These things are so cool. But why? Oh yeah, look, that's broken. It is so tempting to just pimp out a Phaeton because they are getting relatively cheap. Oh wow. Yeah, that's a whole different project. All right, here's the motor.
Here we go.
Remove the hood. So you're saying it's an 07?
07 model.
Okay. Did you tell that, or did you look on the sticker?
I can tell by the intake. It's either 06 or 07.
But how do you know 7 versus 6?
Well, then you have to go to the sticker.
Okay. So this is Matt from Eurocraft, and I don't know your name. Josh from AutoHaas. We're here at AutoHaas. In New Jersey, we can throw a used oil filter and hit New York City almost.
Got that right. Neighbors.
Yeah, but this is like the kind of more real side. Like if you picture New York City in the 70s, that's kind of how Newark and Patterson is. Yeah, I'm gonna flip the camera around, and yeah, this motor is gonna go to Africa.